Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Bakers Garden Buildings. I'm over in Shoreham by Sea, and in this video I'm going to show you around this fantastic 6x3 metre gym and bar room. Absolutely lovely inside. So this building is 6 metres wide and 3 metres deep. It's on slightly sloping ground, which worked well for our steel and timber frame base. You might be able to see that triangulate in there. MTX cladding on the side on the V200. V200 fascias there as well. Really like that wider board. Inline sliding doors with the integrated blinds. Still the rest of the garden's got to be landscaped and the sun's bleeding in, so I'm going to show you more inside than out on this one. But yes, let me take you inside. Inline sliders, as I said, opening the nose up, you will get to see some great quality gym equipment that the client has now fully finished. We've worked out the heights. It's within permitted development, so we've considered all the heights and it does work. Lovely big 1.8 metre mirror on the rear wall, and the client has laid some rubber matting down, and also we've included doing a floor socket there, so no trailing leads, and it was designed also both of their machines could face towards the TV, which I'll pan around here, is on this wall over here. So yeah, really nicely done with that area. So 2/3 of it's that gym, as you can see, really nicely done. And then one of our Bakers bars in the back left-hand corner here. No sofas in here, so it's principally used as this gym. But obviously when they do want to come up and enjoy entertaining or just a space away from the house, then they can use these really lovely chairs. Not seen this before, but the client actually has installed or found along with that chair, let me kind of come around there, is a same chair but without the back, and it fits really nicely around here. And if I come round, I can actually say this is really nicely kitted out. I wouldn't mind staying here for an evening myself very happily. The bar itself has got the black silver shimmer glitter top on there, so that's a glass top, looks really lovely. Nice rounded corners from our good friends over at Southern Counties Glass, thank you very much. The mirror's also from them in a removable track, so that can be moved, and I think just the clients just absolutely furnished this absolutely beautifully, and it works so well. All the usual elements from us, so the V200 inside in a timeless colour. We've done the electrics, internet, wall wash lighting in the bar, TV on the wall, internet set up on that as well. The client, you can see, also has really finished it off nicely here with all of the weights that's needed. Yeah, so there you go. I think it's a really beautiful 6x3 gym and actually like entertainment room, really. That's the main focus for this. Works really well in my opinion. A great combo, two things that any house could do with, I think, is a gym and a bar. And I hope that's of interest to you. Thanks for subscribing, liking and sharing what we do. Please comment, let me know your thoughts on this lovely project. And yeah, thank you very much for watching.